Hello, this is Harsh from Pagemaker. To edit your form fields, there is some customers want to edit their drop down, so they are able to change the options from here. And if they want to change their font style or font color or make them bold or italic, so with the help of the custom CSS, they can do that. So how you will get your custom CSS to edit this form fonts? So to get it, you just need to click on the save button and go to the preview section. So at the preview section, I already added a one custom CSS. Let me just remove it. Okay, so now I removed all the custom CSS. So to get your own custom CSS, right click and at there find the class. Here is a field section is the class. Click on the plus icon. Okay. Now if you want to change the color of the font, you can see there is a black. So if you want to change the color, select the color at here. Now you can change the color at here, like let's make it as a red. Now if you want to change its font family, then you can also select the font family at here, and from here you can change the font family. If you want to change its size, you can also change its size like this. If you want to make it bold, so for that you just need to click write the font weight, and after that add, select like this, like let's make it as a 900. So now your all the custom code is ready at here. So let's copy it. So I just copied it, and now go to the CSS section in the admin panel, write name to identify it, and let's write it and paste it. So now let's just go back to the editor, and it is look like this. So in the editor, you are not able to see that change, but you can see it in your preview site and in your live site. Okay. Is there any kind of problem or feature you want to understand? You can message me on the messenger. Okay. Yeah. Bye.